Alright, I got the WL Toys 128 scale cars out today. There's some fun little micro RCs. Got one that's kind of based off the Arma Infraction. I put some drift tires on it. Drift wheels and tires. And then this one's like a mini Losi, what is it, the DBXL, but 28 scale. Not much suspension travel, so probably won't be the best basher, friction shocks, but we'll mess around with it a little bit today. Alright, we're going to do a speed test in the mid-20s again today, so probably won't reach its true top speed. But for a 28 scale, it's cooking pretty good. GPS is half the size of the body. It handles fairly decent. Let's see what we got. $16 miles an hour, probably 17, 18 on a warmer day. Not bad at all for its size. So for its size, it's a fun little basher. If you could find some oil shocks for it, probably make it a lot better. But surprisingly, handles pretty well. Little bit of a bounce on landing. Sometimes will flip over like that, but not bad at all, really. About the size of a cell phone, same footprint. This is where I broke my Mini-Max in half. This does have a metal chassis though. Not quite enough power to clear this double. Oh, we're spinning in circles. Did we break something? Nothing seems broken. Oh, something definitely is. We got some rear steer. All right, looks like rear hub broke. Once again, bashing on a mid 20-degree day. Not good for plastic, but should be a simple enough fix. Probably could even fix it with a little super glue. All right, the WL Toys 1/28 scale micro RCs are a lot of fun. Did manage to break the buggy, but it's bashing it fairly hard. Concrete skate park, about 25 degrees out today. And it looks like it's a pretty simple fix. Drift car is a lot of fun. Did come with rubber tires. I put the hard plastic drift tires. A lot more fun drifting it around. It's fun going up and down the half pipes here. Drifted pretty well on this concrete surface. Alright, if you're looking for some pretty good 28 scale RCs that won't take up a lot of room, I would say these are a pretty good deal. You can find them both around $70 to $80. They got the nice lights, come with a battery charger. Alright, thanks for watching.